Hey, it's Gwen Fox, and I'm so glad that you're here. And this video is going to be different just because it's going to be about the group coaching. For those that are interested, I want you to know exactly what it entails and to see if it's for you, because I'm very passionate about this. I've seen how it helps. I know how it helps. It propels the artist into a whole different dimension. And if that's something that you want, then listen, because this is what the group coaching is about. There are things in the group coaching that we are definitely going to cover, and that you will know how to find out your artistic voice. You will learn how to say goodbye and don't bother me to your inner critic. Will it always be there? Yes, but you will know how to control it. You know, it's not going to be allowed to follow you into your studio or wherever it is that you paint, like a 10-week-old puppy, and decide it's going to be your studio assistant for the day. It's not going to do that, and you're going to learn how. You're going to learn the questions to ask when you are critiquing. What are the questions that are best for you to ask to find out what's right with your painting, what's wrong with your painting? Because we're loners. We're not around other artists that much, and we've got to learn to critique our own work. You will develop confidence that you never knew you had. And you will also learn how to stand out from the crowd of all the other artists that you see. And I'm sure that after a while, it gets a little discouraging to see all of these artists, and you're thinking, how am I going to stand out? We're going to discover your strengths, and that's how you're going to stand out. I want to read you just briefly a couple of the testimonials from the students from last year. Tracy said, "This is where you discover what makes your art truly yours. That helps you tap into something honest and exciting in your work that you might not even know was there." And Eric said, 6 months ago, I hesitated to call myself an artist. Today, I do so with confidence, thanks to the group coaching. I was able to unlock creative belief and stretch my approach to painting. This one is important. Each week felt like stepping through a window of possibility. Thank you, Eric. Donna said, it was the kick in the butt that I needed. Julianne says, my life is different now. Possibilities have opened up that I wasn't sure that I would ever rebirth again in this life. I am truly grateful, and thank you, thank you, thank you. And Lori said the best recommendation that she could ever give to the group coaching group was that, would she take it again? And that is yes. Is she taking it again? She has decided to do private coaching. This is the beauty of this, is that you grow so much. So I just want to invite you that if you have questions, email me. We'll set up a time to call. I'm very honest. There is no pressure. But if you've got questions, I want to answer them. I love you. If you want this group coaching, because, one other thing, which is very important, it's very small. The group is very small. Big groups are great, but you get lost. This is a small group of artists so that I get to know you and what you need. And you get to know me, and we work as a team. And that's how it should be, if you want to grow your art. So let me know if you've got any questions. Know that I love you, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.